Imagine your backyard paying you every single month. Fresh eggs in the morning, jars of honey selling out, and even fish and vegetables growing together in one system. Today, we were looking at 7 backyard animal systems that can actually generate real income. These are small setups that many people use to earn anywhere from a few $100s to over $1,000 per month. And the best part is, you don't need a huge farm to start. Many of these systems work in normal backyards. The secret is that animals produce valuable products people constantly want to buy. Things like fresh eggs, raw honey, organic compost, and specialty foods. Unlike many side hustles, animals create products again and again. Chickens keep laying eggs. Bees keep producing honey. Worms keep turning waste into compost. With the right setup, these systems can produce income week after week. Let's start with one of the most popular backyard animals in the world: chickens. Backyard chickens are one of the easiest ways to start producing food and income. A small flock of 10 to 20 hens can produce dozens of eggs every single week. Fresh eggs from backyard chickens are incredibly popular with neighbors and local buyers. Many people prefer farm fresh eggs over store-bought eggs because the flavor and quality are often much better. Starting a chicken system usually requires a coop, feeders, water containers, and of course the chickens themselves. Once everything is set up, the chickens do most of the work. They eat, roam, and lay eggs almost every day. Many backyard owners sell their extra eggs directly to neighbors or local markets. Simple cartons and a clean label can make a huge difference in sales. Now let's look at a smaller bird that produces gourmet products: quail. Quail are tiny birds that produce small speckled eggs, considered a delicacy in many cuisines. Restaurants and specialty markets often buy quail eggs because they are unique and visually appealing. One of the biggest advantages of quail is how fast they grow. They mature quickly and start laying eggs much sooner than chickens. Quail also need far less space. Some backyard setups keep dozens of quail in compact stacked cages. This makes them perfect for people with limited yard space. When marketed correctly, quail eggs can sell at premium prices. Next up is an animal known for incredible efficiency: rabbits. Rabbits are one of the most efficient meat-producing animals available for small farms. They grow quickly, reproduce rapidly, and require relatively small living spaces. Many backyard growers raise rabbits for meat. Others focus on selling breeding pairs to new rabbit farmers. Because rabbits reproduce quickly, a small starter group can grow into a productive system in a short amount of time. Rabbit manure is also valuable because it can be used directly as fertilizer without composting. This creates an additional product gardeners love. Now let's move to one of the most fascinating backyard income systems: beekeeping. Bees produce one of the most valuable natural products in the world: raw honey. Local honey is extremely popular and often sells quickly at farmers markets and local stores. But honey isn't the only product bees produce. Beekeepers can also sell beeswax, pollen, propolis, and even offer pollination services. A single hive can produce a surprising amount of honey during a good season. Many backyard beekeepers start with just 1 or 2 hives and expand over time. Small jars with simple labels can turn honey into a premium product. Next is a system that combines fish and plants together: aquaponics. Aquaponics is a system where fish and plants grow together in one balanced ecosystem. Fish produce waste that becomes nutrients for plants. The plants clean the water before it returns to the fish tanks. This allows you to produce 2 different products from one system: fresh fish and fresh vegetables. Aquaponics systems are incredibly efficient and can be built in small spaces. Some backyard growers produce tilapia along with lettuce, herbs, or microgreens. Restaurants often love buying fresh herbs grown locally. Now let's look at one of the lowest cost systems on the list: worm farming. Worms turn food scraps and organic waste into extremely rich compost known as worm castings. Gardeners value worm castings because they improve soil health and plant growth. Starting a worm farm can be very inexpensive. Often all you need is a bin, bedding material, and a starter group of worms. As the worms multiply, they produce more compost and more worms. Both of these products can be sold. Worms are popular as fishing bait and for starting new worm farms. Finally, let's talk about a bird that many people overlook. Ducks. Ducks are hardy animals and excellent egg producers. Duck eggs are larger and richer than chicken eggs. Because of this, they are highly valued by bakers and chefs. Many people consider duck eggs a premium product. Ducks also handle wet environments better than chickens. This makes them a great option in certain climates. Many backyard farmers sell duck eggs at higher prices than regular chicken eggs. Now here's an important tip. The most successful backyard growers often combine multiple systems together. For example, chickens for eggs, bees for honey, and worms for compost. Each system supports the others. Food scraps feed worms. Worm compost improves gardens. Gardens feed animals. Before starting any backyard animal system, always check your local regulations. Some areas have rules about keeping livestock. It's also smart to start small. Master one system before expanding to others. And try to find buyers before you produce large amounts of product. Backyard animals can turn a simple yard into a productive ecosystem. With the right setup, small systems can create surprisingly steady income. Now I'm curious. Which backyard animal would you start with first? Chickens, bees, rabbits, quail, ducks, or something else? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoy learning about simple ways to earn from nature, subscribe for more videos like this.